The most delicious, high-protein garlic parmesan steak Alfredo pasta. All for 590 calories, packed with flavor, easy to make, and perfect meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your steaks into cubes, seasoned with salt, black pepper, Italian herbs, garlic, parsley, smoked paprika, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook your steak bites for 2 minutes each side on medium-high heat till golden and juicy, just like this. Then lower the heat, add more butter, fresh garlic, and parmesan. Mix till well coated, then set the beef aside. Add chopped garlic and onion, cook for 5 minutes, then add this extra seasoning. Give it a mix, then add evaporated milk, light cream cheese, parmesan, and pasta water. Stir till smooth, let it bubble, then add your cooked pasta. Give it a good mix, and look at how creamy and indulgent that looks. Finally, serve with your delicious steak bites, and your high-protein meals are ready to enjoy for the week.